Hey Wafi, how do you do this? I don't get it. How to solve this question?
Let me see. Okay. Fatah intends to invest 80% of his 100,000 ringgit into an investment scheme for 6 years and 6 months. He has two schemes to consider as follows. Scheme A offer an interest rate of 5.8% compound every 2 months. Scheme B offer an interest rate of 6.2% compounded semi-annually. Which scheme should he choose and what is the reason of his choice? Okay. Firstly, you need to know about formula. S equal P 1 plus M times P. Okay. This will be P, invest because invest. 100,000 times 80% equal 80,000. This will be P equal 6 year 6 over 12. Okay, scheme A, interest rate P equal 5.8%. This will be M. M equal 6 every 2 months. Okay. This equal 100,000 1 plus K in 5.8% over 6 and 6 times 6 over 8. Just key on your calculator. Wait, sorry. Okay, scheme A. Scheme B. Same also. T equal C over K equal this one 2. M equal similarly equal 2. Okay, same also formula. S equal 80,000 1 plus 6.2% over 2. Okay, 2 divided 6 over. This equal scheme B. Okay. Fatah should choose scheme B because it give a higher future amount compare scheme A. Okay. How much interest can be earned based on the chosen scheme in A? Okay. Formula interest I equal S minus P. Okay, S 118,974.16 minus 80,000. The interest will be 3,897.16. That's all.
Oh no, this is too hard for me. Let me ask Hilda. Hilda, can you help me to solve this question?
That question? Okay. We have to find T based on our scheme B. Now our formula will be S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I, and 1,500,000 is our S divided by 80,000 equals to in bracket 1 plus 0.031, and we will get 1.875 in bracket 1 plus 0.031 n. Since we have to find n, we have to use the formula log. Log 1.875 equals to log 1.031. To find the n, so we put the t at the front, it will be log 1.875 equals to t multiply log 1.031. So now we'll be leaving the t alone, so log 1.875 divided by log 1.031, we get t, which is will be, so our t will be 20.5, sorry my mistake, 20.5904,038 divided by 2. Since our m is already, we know that it's 2, So at the end, T will be 10.3 years. Moving on to question D, using the same scheme, we will continue to find the investment. How much will he earn based on the investment period? We have to find S. We already know our P, which is 80,000 plus 5,000, which will get 85,000. And our I is still the same, 0.031. And our N will be 6 over 2 multiplied by 2, which will get 19. So, for the question D, using the same formula, which is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I N. So, we doesn't know our S, but we know our P, which is 85,000 in bracket plus 1, 0.031 over 19, which we will get our S, which is RM151821.60.
Hello everyone, this is Vitusha and it's my turn to answer the question, part B, question 1. Dewi saved 200 ringgit every 3 months for 7 years into an account that pays 2.5% compounded quarterly. So R is 200, T is 7 years, K is 2.5 and M is 4. We also need to find I, which is I is equal to K divided to M. So 0.025 divided to 4. N equals to MT, so 4 multiplied 2, 7 and equals to 28. Question A is, how much does she have in the account at the end of the period? So first we have to use the formula S. So S equals to 200. Open the bracket and open another bracket. 1 plus 0.025 divide to 4 and close the bracket again. And the end is 28 and minus 1 and close the bracket and don't forget to divide with 0.025 divide to 4. And the answer is 6,099.12 cents. So next question B, how much is the interest earned? So write down the interest formula, which is I equals to S minus Rn. So I equals to 6,099.12 cents minus 200 and multiply with 28. And the answer is 499.12 cents. So now we're done with part B, question 1. That's all from me. Bye.
Jana wants to buy a house that costs 340,000. She needs to pay 10% as a down payment and borrow the rest from a bank for 35 years. She has two banks to choose from. Bank A, interest rate is 3.8% compound every 2 months, and Bank B, interest rate is 4% compound monthly. Question A, find out how much Jana will need to pay each month for both options. A equals to 90% multiplied 340,000, and the answer is 306,000. The T is 35 years. For Bank A, the K is 0.038, the M is 6, I equals to 0.038 over 6. For the N equals to 6 multiplied 35, the answer is 210. Using the formula A equals to R, open bracket 1, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket negative power N over I, close bracket. And the A is 306,000 equals to R, open bracket 1 plus 0.038 over 6, close bracket, negative power 210 over 0.038 over 6 and close the bracket. And then 38 over 6, close bracket, negative power 210 over 0.038 over 6 and close the bracket. And then we bring the calculation to the front and left R behind, and the answer will be 7,297 ringgit. And for the Bank B, the K is equals to 0.04, the M is 6, I equals to 0.04 over 6, N is 12 multiplied 35, the answer is 420. Using the same formula as at the Bank A, the A is 306,000 equals to R, open bracket 1 plus 0.04 over 6, close bracket, negative power 420 over 0.04 over 6 and close the bracket. Bring the calculation to the front and left the R behind, so the answer is 4,126 ringgit and 69 cents. For question B, Bank A monthly payment is 7,267 ringgit. Bank B monthly payment is 4,126 ringgit and 69 cents. So the answer that we got here is Bank B is the better choice because it is the lowest pay for monthly payments.